Yeah, I'm fried. Yeah. Yeah, I'm fried.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I'm going to do an unboxing. And I ordered some two basically motor mounts for my car, 2007 Toyota Avalon limited edition. It don't even matter because it still will work for 2005 all the way to 12, and it should work for the same ES350 Lexus as well around the same year. But I bought it off eBay. I had to go aftermarket. I ain't got the bread to spend, not even to spend, but to purchase the OEM, factory one. I had bought one before, and they didn't come with the studs. Like, I don't know why they do that, because that don't make no sense. But I see this one have its studs. Perfect. Nice unboxing. This one look like this is the one for the passenger side. Let me take it out of the thing. I'm so excited right now because right now my car needs motor mounts right now, so I'm really excited. And I took it to a shop. The shop would have get me for the parts OEM for $400. I didn't have the money to get that, $400, that's a lot of that's a lot of money right there. Yeah, that's a lot of money. $400. So this one go on the right side, which is and they have the R on there as well. You guys probably can't even see it, but this one go on the right side, which is the passenger side. Yeah, so this one goes to the right, passenger side. And it comes with 4 of them, but the reason why I only purchased 2, as I said, the last one that I purchased, it comes with the dog bone mount, the one that go on the top. That's what we call the dog bone mount, the one that's go on the top. It comes with the one that's in the front at the bottom, and it also comes with the one that's on the passenger side and the transmission side, which is the driver's side. So see, this one comes with the studs. I don't understand how come the last one didn't, but I got my money back, which is good, and I have an extra 2 free motor mounts, so I can't complain about that. These comes with the studs. I like this. I'm happy. So now I could basically hit up my mechanic and tell them, hey, or I could do it myself. Basically, I could call somebody, them to install it. The only it's pretty easy. For the 2 sides, which is the passenger and driver, is a 19mm at the top and 17mm at the bottom. And you just need a jack, need a plywood, jack up the car, loosen the one that's in the front as well. Loosen the one at the front and loosen the dog bone mount as well on the front, and you should be good. Everything should be good. You feel me? So I'm happy. I got my studs. The last one, I didn't have the studs. Like, I don't know what games they was playing, or they was trying to cheat. I don't know. It could be a mistake too, because as I said, they give me back the money. Well, yeah, they did give me back the money, so I don't have no problem. So these aftermarket, they're probably gonna last maybe about they said they usually last like 5 to 7 years. Sometimes they go longer, you know, sometimes they wear out around 7 years, 5 to 7 years. So it's still a long period of time. My car is an old car anyways. It's 2008. I'm over 200,000 miles. So, hey, I went aftermarket. I didn't want to go to OEM, spend a whole $400. And also the shop was talking about, to install it, they're gonna charge $700. I think it's $780. I wish I could show you guys the paper. Like, that's ridiculous. $780. That is ridiculous. But yeah, that's unboxing. I'm happy. The shipping, I don't know what is going on. I've been having some problems. These came from California, by the way. I bought them off eBay. These was like 30. I'm gonna round it off as 40 bucks. It's like, you know, 30 something plus tax. I rounded off as 40 bucks. So this is not bad for the both of them, because as I said, I already have the dog bone mount that go on the top. I also have the middle one that goes at the bottom in the front of the car. And I might just do a video as well to show you guys where all of them located. Hopefully, did I have any old videos of those that I did? I probably did. But two of them, the one on the right is when you take the wheel off, it's like right there, and when you take all the wheel off by the driver's side, it's gonna be right there. You're gonna see it. You can't miss it. It's like right there. Like, you can't miss it. But I'm happy. Hope you guys enjoy this unboxing, and I would love to show you guys that printout. I can, give me a minute. Let me see if I could find it. Okay, guys, I couldn't find the paper to print out, but I had wanted to show you guys so bad. Like, man, I can't find it. But yeah, as I was saying, the shop trying to charge me $700. Like, I don't know what is going on. $780 for the labor to install it when it is so easy. Once you have the right tools, once you have the jack, there's no big of a deal. And the reason why I know my car need a motor mount, it vibrates, and there's a way that you could test it as well too. You basically put it in drive, hold down the brakes, put your foot down on the brakes, and take your time and just slightly tap the gas, and you're going to see how much play the engine have. It's going to move like, yo. And then when you put it in reverse, you will see it. It's ridiculous. But the vibration, you're going to notice the vibration, because in the Avalon usually be a smooth, quiet ride. And if you at a standstill and you feel a bunch of vibration, yeah, your motor mounts is done. Turn on the AC and you hear a noise and that vibration. Yeah, motor mounts is done. But I'm gonna cut it right here. I'm happy. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick unboxing. And as I said, you're gonna know this little pin right here at the top. This is how you know this one goes on the driver's side. This one, and it shows you too, it's that left. So this one is the driver's side. And this is hold up the transmission on the transmission side. This is the engine side. The passenger side holds up the motor. It have another one that go in the middle that hold it up, and the one at the top, which is like a damper, so you don't feel no type of vibration, no type of shake in the car. As I said, the Avalon is just like the Lexus ES350. It's a quiet, smooth, comfortable ride. Even though the Avalon is bigger than the Lexus, it's really nice. But it's the same engine. It's the same engine. That year, around that year, 2005 to 2012, it's the same motor. Very quiet ride, smooth. Awesome vehicle. Very reliable as well too, because I have bought mines It had like about 75,000 miles on it. So I bought mine used, and right now I'm over 200,000 miles, and I drive for Lyft. I drive for DoorDash. That's like a gig company, if you guys don't know, a delivering company and a rideshare company, if you guys don't know. So, and I do a lot of driving. It's one car in a household, so I'll be taking my mom to work, picking her up from work, taking my sister to school, taking her to work, taking my other sister to work. So back and forth. So it's a lot of driving, and that car been holding out. And I do basically all the easy maintenance I take care of. You know, it's easy. I change my oil, I change my own brakes. I had changed the radiator fan, which it didn't need to be changed. It's only because I was checking something. I thought that was the problem, and I changed it anyways. But I still have the original one that actually still works. But that's normal wear and tear. The brakes, the oil, the battery, normal wear and tear. The tires, normal wear and tear. You know, on all vehicles, those go out. Those normal wear and tear. I did change the alternator because it was like 15 years old, and it showed a sign. It showed that battery sign while I was driving. I was like, man, my alternator is going out. So I went and bought one, and I took it to the shop, let them take care of it. They took care of it. So alternator and water pump that I changed. So car still running, no transmission issue, no engine issue, no engine problem, no transmission problem. Car still running just fine. Just having a lot of vibration right now due to motor mounts need to be changed. And it's come with 4 of them. I have the other ones, but these are the ones that came with the studs. The other one, the one in the front, I don't need no stud because I could use the old stud to go on the new one. So, but yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and hope you guys learned something. Subscribe. It is free, guys. It's free to subscribe to my channel. When you subscribe, basically every time I do an upload, you're just gonna get a notification to let you know that I upload a new video. That's all. You know, they're not charging you. It's free. Who don't want free information about your vehicle, about Toyota? And I do reviews and different stuff. So stay tuned for more. Peace. Bye-bye. Take care. God bless. And I'm out of here, man. Peace.
Re-up on some hit the trap, get it done. I can make the dough scratch. I can teach finesse. And I'm about my check.